missing someone.
Typically, our morning starts off at 6 a.m. First thing I do is change baby's diaper. He always wakes up in a good mood. I've never really been a morning person, and anyone who knows me can vouch for that, but ever since I've had him, I just wake up in such a good mood. Seeing baby Bryan in the morning is the best part of my day. Good morning. Baby is always hungry, especially first thing in the morning, so I just breastfeed him. After he eats, we just kind of hang out, give lots of cuddles and kisses. I just am so obsessed with him. Anything he does, any little face he does, I'm just so in love with him. Doing his little morning exercises. Just kidding. I just love messing with him. Having this little swing is very helpful because it gives me the opportunity to get a lot of stuff done. He loves this swing so much. I like doing my bed first thing in the morning because you are most likely to complete more tasks during the day and be more productive. And just finish cleaning up the room, disinfecting everything. I'm kind of a germaphobe. Simba literally follows me everywhere I go. I'm gonna pick out mine and baby Bryan's outfit for the day. Baby has taken over. He has so much clothes. Bryan keeps all of his clothes in the dresser out in the room. Some shoes, some sweaters in the closet, but everything else is mine and baby's. I'm just getting everything ready for his bath, his towel, his blankie, his little outfit. He's gonna wear some Nike clothes because his dad likes to see him in Nike Jordan stuff. That bag right there is all new clothes too that I need to sort out. Some little gloves because he likes to pull his hair, and some little sockies to match his outfit. Now that I'm done cleaning the room, I like to burn a candle because did you really clean if you didn't burn a candle? So something that has helped me stay really organized is getting a planner. It helps me keep my life in order. If I didn't have this, I would be so lost. Keeps track of bills, appointments, special dates, you name it. I take the supplements from Legendairy Milk to help with my supply. These are the two that have worked miracles for me. Even though I just got done feeding him, I was able to pump over 10 ounces for him. I like to put them in bottles, one for later. I store it in the fridge, and then I just carry one with me because baby is always hungry. I usually have a light breakfast. I just make this smoothie. It helps with my milk supply, so it's just chia seeds, oatmeal, some milk, and a banana. My mom is the one who taught me this little recipe. Mom is the one who helps me out the most with baby, so we appreciate her very much. She's actually camping right now, so we miss her. I like to have toast with the smoothie, and that's basically it. It's really delicious and really good for you too. I drink about 2 cups of the smoothie, which is really filling. So while I'm having my breakfast, I like to just hang out with my little chubby baby and Simba while I'm watching some TV. I get 4 months of maternity leave at work, so I'm really living my stay-at-home mom fantasy right now. I'm enjoying each moment with baby because, oh my gosh, it's so crazy how fast babies grow. Simba is such a beggar. He's so rude. He eventually gives up because I don't give him anything. He's such a little protector, but he's the biggest, neediest baby. So now that both of my babies fell asleep, I'm gonna take advantage of this moment and have my brother watch baby for a little so I can take a shower. Baby Bryan loves taking baths. He's like always so calm. Now that we're all fresh and clean, just gonna get baby ready for the day. Something I don't skip is my skincare routine. This is my little skincare corner. I go in with my micellar water to take off any dirt or makeup left over. And then it doesn't matter which face wash I use. I just like to use something that has vitamin C because it's very brightening. And as you guys can tell, my under eyes are really dark because my sleeping schedule is very messed up. I am obsessed with face masks, if you couldn't tell, so I'm gonna use a few. This is one that I'm gonna use for my nose. I don't understand the instructions, but the first one, it says to leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes. Second one is the one that you leave on for another 15 minutes because this is what's gonna pull out all of your blackheads or dirt. These are my favorite under eye masks because it helps with my eye bags and makes me look well rested. Absolutely love Muddy Body, and today I'm using their Refresh mask. I talked about them in my skincare routine and I'm obsessed. I love them. I leave everything on for about 20 minutes and then just take it off. I love that the last step is like a hydrating little mask for your nose because whenever you use a nose strip, it really dries out your nose. Well, in my case, it does. I know this is a night cream, but I absolutely love how it makes my skin feel. It feels very supple and hydrated, so I also use it during the day. On a typical day, I don't have time to do my hair, so I just scrunch it. Literally takes like 30 minutes. And you did right from the start. This is my mom beat. It's really fast and easy. I can get my makeup done in less than 10 minutes. And someone woke up really grumpy from their nap, so I had to hold baby. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. And that's pretty much it, guys. We're both ready for the rest of the day. That's our morning routine. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!